The following video contains scenes that is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall. Now, there's a video circulating on social media that some person says that it is police brutality while some person says something else. Some persons are saying that is it that they are looking for drugs or is it that they are looking for some persons that are suspected of more vicious crimes. However, this video is circulating on social media that shows police officers from Trinidad and Tobago making a few arrests. There was one person that is said to be a Rastafarian that while the police officers were arresting this person, they said that he had drugs on him, right? Now, I am going to show you this video right about now, like 2 pieces of this video. I'm going to show you just that you can have a better understanding of what's going on and what this video is all about on social media, because this video is posted on social media that it says don't know why police keep locking up innocent people, right? I'm going to show you this video and then I'm going to point out a few things. But before I show you this video, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Observe.
Wait, it's not my right. So it's not my right. It's not my right.
No, but if you get nothing, we ban.
Hey! Don't stop the man in here though. Do not choke the man though. Do not choke the man inside here, so there. Do not choke the man. They can't be choking the man sober, the man. Like the man, they can't be choking the man.
Get it now? Nah. And nobody for if it's to fall, they gotta snatch it. I'm gonna be in a real problem. Yeah.
Oh, where the job? Where's the job? Oh, they got no jobs on that now. They're trying to lock up the man because he's a Rasta.
Joy, if you know you're dead, you know then again, nothing on you.
You are under arrest for possession of marijuana.
Nah, you can't what kind of mad thing is this going on?
Grab your partner. Grab your partner. I like
what kind of mad thing going on?
Grab your partner.
Oh, they're gonna weed on the fella. They're gonna weed on the boy. Yeah, they're gonna weed on your boy. And the boy is putting his fan, boy. They're gonna weed on the man. And the fella boy, yes. And the putting his fan. Alright, everybody was here. 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 I'm glad of the scene. I'm glad of the scene. We are fucking I'm glad of the scene. Where we just get.
This is not a block. This is not a block. This is a rented apartment. And only trying to come here and advantage people. You strong him. Choke him. Choke him, man. I only want to advantage the man. Yes, well, come vex. All they do all they want. Man, I'm not telling all they want to lock him up. Watch out, they don't cut up the man. Watch. Yes, break here. Watch out, they get bad. Watch. Break here. I want you to break it. Break here.
All you come. All you call everybody. All you call everybody. Call everybody.
All you come in my yard, boy. I'm my yard. All you come mad, I clean in my yard, boy. I call you shake, you know. All you shake, you know, you know. Not me, boy. I feel like you're fight me, you know. Not me, you know.
He have nothing on him. He have nothing on him. He never had nothing on him.
Run. All you need roughing up the man right to run.
Don't matter why you let you take.
Yeah, I come in. You get no weed on the ball, you know, they put the weed in the van and I never carry by the van. As a witness, I'm making sure I want to see the weed. I want to see the weed. I want to see the weed while they have me, man.
Look, they're locking up you, B.
Yeah, what are
Look, they're locking up you, B.
you don't push me. I'm not telling you wait. What here?
Don't see your hand behind your back.
Well, like all they getting kicks because all they need uniform. Stop kicking me, I never do nothing. No play pushing me.
They're locking up his van.
Lock me up.
I am Constable Mitchell, a police officer.
But I'm a yard of cleaning my yard. All they push me.
What was it, Trish?
I'm not pushing my yard. Oh, I'm obstructing you.
I'm going outside, my boy. This is my eye. I can watch.
I will slap, man. You have a big son. I will slap it. You have a big son. Hey, don't pull it to the mirror. Don't go nowhere. I'm going to get nothing on you. Don't do that. Don't film, boy. Don't film, boy. Keep the car there, boy. Don't film, boy. Everybody stand up. Cannot do that. When you go down the road, you all will come down. No, wait. Hold on. Everybody stand back. Stand back.
Hey! Bye!
I never said shop is a direct. Only man can do taking lock up. That charge, you them getting that for. Let me look for the lock up and the shop.
No, you really don't talk long before. When the lock up, you're not going to come back. He remember what he be saying. You really talk before. And what he be saying, and he come back for you be, and even talking, the police push him and the police say, well, you get arrested too. That one? Because they talk, they tell them to observe him. Yes! They lock up Ivan too. Ivan gone so by madness. They lock up Ivan too. Yeah, they run Joey. But Joey have no weed on them or nothing. Or they got nothing to show.
That wicked man.
I was there from starting to ending. Them man no family.
You be? That's cook the MSF. Joy be? Yeah. Go there, I go. That's obstruct. Yeah. Like you put break of officer.
I get every fucking thing.
No, it's to put it up on Facebook.
Not with my phone. Not with my phone. Not with my phone, Nana. I could send it to anybody and let them put it up.
Come on, some boys falling on the wing, go and look for them. That man in a fucking blue that man jersey. Fucking wicked.
Alright, so there you have it. This video footage that is from Trinidad and Tobago showing residents of Trinidad and Tobago arguing with the police officers as police officers are making a few arrests. There is one person that is the Rastafarian that when they're arresting him, they said that he had drugs on him, but judging by what I heard in this video, it seems to be marijuana. Some persons call it ganja, some persons call it cannabis. You see, now there's a lot of speculations behind this video. Some persons are saying that let the police do their job. Some persons are saying that the Rastafarian should not have resisted arrest. It's only going to make him get more charges to what's going on. However, if you take a look at the video, you would notice that some of the police officers are in plain clothing. So it seems like it might be an operation where they think these men that they are apprehending might seems to fit a description of persons that are said to be suspects. You see what I'm saying to you? That's just one of the observations that has been pointed out there by social media. You know what I'm saying to you? And there is more things that is being said towards this, where when the other person, which is one of the man that was yelling at the police officers. They were saying that he should not have said anything. Maybe he would not have been arrested. All right. Now, there are persons that are saying that why are they arresting innocent people? That is what it says, you know, because remember, like they said, they said that they find marijuana on the persons. So some persons on social media are saying that there is more vicious crimes out there, you know what I mean? And they said that they're rapists, there's this, there's that. So marijuana is like they're trying to say basically it's minor, you know what I'm saying to you? All right, now I want to point out to you now that in December, the Prime Minister of Trinidad and Tobago make a note, or should I say that he said some things like there was going to be something about decriminalizing marijuana in Trinidad and Tobago, and it was said to, you know, it was said that it was going to happen sometime in June, but up till July 4th, there has been no changes to the whole marijuana law in Trinidad and Tobago. For those who don't know, I'm just telling you what's out there right about now, so you can look out for that, because that is a topic that seems to be, or seems as if it will be brought up back. So right there, I leave this with you for you to tell me what you think about something like this. Is it police brutality or not? Is it that these police officers were looking for drugs, or is it that they were looking for some persons that is suspected of some more vicious crimes? You know what I'm saying to you? And as always, you don't know me, only bring to you what's going on social media. Keep it up to date and posted and let you know what I want. So if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it? Hey my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Entertainment.